What is up everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial. For today's video, I'm going to show you on how to delete invite message on Instagram. Let's hop into the Instagram app. Now, if you have sent a message to someone on Instagram, then it shows an invitation sent prompt on your screen and you want to delete it. Then do this method. Go over to that person that you have sent the message. Then click the view profile on it. Or just simply go to their profile. Next, tap the three dots icon at the top right of their profile screen. Select block in the pop-up. Then select block again to confirm. After doing that, go back to your chat. And then it will show here the delete button. Now tap on delete and then tap delete again to confirm. By doing this, it will cancel the invitation message that you have sent on that profile. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.